Meet the Bucher MaxPowa R65 Street Sweeper, a powerful machine built for durability, efficiency, and unmatched performance in demanding environments. With an 8.5 cubic yard stainless steel hopper and regenerative air circulation, it's designed to handle the toughest jobs while reducing environmental impact. Its aggressive, forward-facing, digger-type gutter brooms and full-width suction cover a 12-foot path, ensuring faster and more thorough street cleaning, ideal for long, low-cambered roads and tight urban spaces. Ergonomic controls keep the operator comfortable, while the fluid coupler transmission provides smooth, energy-efficient operation with reduced running costs. With the best power-to-fan speed ratio in its class and Bucher's unique 14003 stainless steel construction, it offers exceptional corrosion resistance, 250 times stronger than standard materials. Engineered for endurance, efficiency, and reliability, the MaxPowa R65 is truly ready for any challenge. Contact McCann Industries today to learn more about this advanced machine.